Good morning, students. Coming to this next concept. So here I am explaining like question answer type. Derive Ohm's law by using drift velocity concept. So basic idea we know very well, Ohm's law. So I will explain again. So just remember Ohm's law. We know very well Ohm's law formula V equal to IR. So how I will deriving? Listen carefully. Only derivation, simple derivation. So we know drift velocity. If you remember in the previous class, drift velocity related to the electric current Vd is equal to I by NEA. Drift velocity related to electric current and drift velocity in terms of relaxation time. This is also one of the derivation we know. Vd is equal to, if you remember, this is E by M of tau. And students will get doubts here. Sorry is forgetting minus. That negative sign indicates velocity of electrons is opposite to the electric field. I am not writing negative direction here. So symbol I am not writing, only magnitude I am writing. So Vd left hand side equal, right hand side equal. So then what will happen? So you can see left hand side equal, right hand side you can equate. So that is I by NEA is equal to E by M of tau. Okay. Now one more extra point I am writing here. I by NEA is equal to E by M. In case of electric field, E is equal to, we know very well, E equal to V by D model na. So same thing. So here V by distance is nothing but length of the conductor. I am writing L of tau. So in place of D I am writing length of the conductor here. Now only potential you can kept at one side, sorry you can shift to other side. Listen carefully. Only potential I am writing left hand side, remaining all the things I am writing. So potential V is equal to, all these things can be taken to this side, I by NEA. So all these things can be taken like this, M, L, E tau will come to the denominator like this. It will come to the denominator like this. Okay. Now potential difference V is equal to I of, see these terms, M, L by, so here N, E into E square, small e, A, so tau is there. ML by NE square A into tau. And if you see, this bracket is here, ML by NE square A into tau. This bracket is known as resistance of the conductor. It is taken as a resistance of the conductor. This bracket value is nothing but resistance. Therefore V is equal to, so therefore potential V is equal to, potential V is equal to I of, this bracket is nothing but resistance R, which you know it is called Ohm's law. So it is called Ohm's law. So this is the simplest derivation. Check it. It came in the exam also, remember. So if you remember this Vd formula, just equate those two, then you will get the answer like this. Here one more sentence, E electric field E is equal to V by D concept you can apply, you will get this answer. Okay. So one more question I am explaining. Derive the expression for resistivity of a conductor in terms of electron density and relaxation time. So everyone just remember, if this question is given for, देखो how I am explaining this question. So already we know previous, just now I explained one concept na here. Resistance R is equal to, same thing I am using here. Resistance R equal to, resistance R equal to M L by N E square A of tau. So see, I am modifying this thing. Resistance R equal to M by N E square. So this A also I am writing side tau. So this thing I am writing in bracket. This is L by A. L by A. And this bracket. And we know very well, since we know very well, resistance R equal to rho L by A. This is 10th class formula. Again I will explain right now. This you will get. So this is the standard formula. Again compare these two. L by A same, R same. In place of rho resistivity, this bracket value is there. Therefore resistivity rho is equal to this bracket value M by N E square tau. Very useful formula, remember. So from this, so you have to understand one simple sentence. Resistivity rho inversely proportional to, if you see, the resistivity rho inversely proportional to the relaxation time. Very important. Relaxation time tau na, relaxation time tau. Resistivity rho inversely proportional to the electron density. These sentences are very important. From this equation I am writing. Again I will use this thing. Dekho beta everyone, if this question is given for 2 marks, very less number of marks, means like 2 marks type, so only this 4-5 steps only you can write. Sir, question is given for 3 marks, you have tried this previous question also. V is equal to IR formula derivation is there na, so Ohm's law derivation is there, इसके साथ this sentence you have tried, this derivation you have tried, दोनों लिखना पड़ेगा if the question is given for 3 marks. So according to the given marks you can choose the derivation like this. Now coming to this next one, derive the relation between, very important question, relation between current density and electric field. So another model also, relation between I, sigma and E, or derive the microscopic form of Ohm's law. So here also derivation is very easy, simple point. So remember, again I am taking the same equations which is related to the Ohm's law, which is related to the drift velocity. So drift velocity related to the electric current, Vd is equal to I by NEA. Drift velocity in terms of relaxation time, so this is E by M of tau. This is equation 2. Drift velocity related to electric current, drift velocity related to the relaxation time. So left hand side equal, so right hand side also you can equate. Listen carefully how I am doing. I told you na, equations 1 and 2, equate those two. So this is equal to, therefore I by NEA is equal to, this is E by M of tau. E by M of tau. Firstly you can see, take this one. So equating equations 1 and 2. So Vd is equal, I told you already. So equations, from equations 1 and 2, Vd is equal, left hand side, right hand side equal. So see the steps, I by NEA. So I by A only I am writing this side, remaining I am throwing to a right hand side. So I by A is remaining like this. Check this. So capital E I am writing side, remaining I am writing in bracket. So here one definition everyone has to understand. This is the simple point. I by A, current per unit area, is known as current density. Remember, current per unit area is known as current density. Already I explained in the beginning and again I am repeating. What about this bracket value? NE square tau by M is equal to 1 by rho. Here what is this 1 by rho? Suddenly kahan se aaye sentence 1 by rho? See the previous question. Rho is equal to M by NE square tau. Rho is equal to M by NE square tau. बट हियर आपका क्या है, एन ई स्क्वायर टाउ बाई एम, इसको इसका रिवर्स है ना, इसका रिवर्स है ना सेंटेंस, चेक इट, ये ब्रैकेट वैल्यू चेक इट, एन ई स्क्वायर टाउ बाई एम मीन्स इसका रिवर्स 1 बाई रो, 1 बाई रेसिस्टिविटी. Reciprocal of resistivity is known as conductivity. Reciprocal of resistivity is known as conductivity. Hence this bracket converts into like this. I by A is nothing but current density sigma. This bracket is nothing but, sorry, it is nothing but J. This bracket is nothing but sigma. Electric field is E. So J is equal to sigma into E. It is just like V is equal to IR model. It is called empirical formula, microscopic form of Ohm's law. Remember, this derivation is also important. So many times it came in the exam. So remember, these are the simple derivations. Today, whatever may be the explanation derivations I am giving, all are important. Now coming to the simplest definition, which is useful for us: mobility. Electrons are running, so electrons are moving. So in the conductor like this, opposite to the electric field. We know very well, electric field, opposite electric field, they are moving. So mobility. So drift velocity per unit intensity of electric field. Drift velocity of electrons per unit intensity of electric field is called mobility. So SI यूनिट can write. Velocity के लिए मीटर पर सेकेंड, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के लिए वोल्ट पर मीटर. So reverse this thing, you will get this answer. Dimension formula, try to write down the dimension formula, you will get the answer like this. Dimension formula also. Meter means dimension formula L square. Second power T power minus 1. V means voltage or potential. So see this derivation, dimension formula, whole power minus 1 is there. Check it, finally you will get this dimension formula like this. So everyone, go through these derivations properly, and we will discuss these things later on.